Welcome to IB.
Okay, I'm back. So in this video, we are going to talk about geometric series. So we are done with the geometric sequence. In the geometric series, we have two, finite and infinite. Let's have first the finite geometric sequence. This will be the formula for finite, or some says it is finite, geometric series. And the second one is the infinite geometric series. So for finite geometric series, S sub n is equal to the first term multiplied by 1 minus ratio raised to the n, raised to the power of n all over 1 minus ratio. While for the infinite, the formula will be S is equal to first term all over 1 minus the common ratio. Again, A sub 1 is the first term, R is for the common ratio, and S sub n is the sum of the first n terms. Let's proceed with an example. First one, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series. So let's write all the given first. First term is equal to 2. Again, the radius. We need to divide 6 all over 2 for us to get the radius, which is 3. And our n, we are looking for 5 terms. Okay. So in this case, we are going to use the formula for the finite geometric series. Why? Because we have the given up the term, the 5. We need to get the sum of the first 5 terms. So this is finite. So formula, just a quick reminder again, in order for us to get the ratio, we need to divide the A sub n plus 1 all over A sub n. We need to get the ratio of any two consecutive terms. That's why we divide 6 by 2. So we divide 6 by 2. We need to divide the two consecutive terms. So the formula, getting the finite geometric sequence, or the series of finite geometric sequence, we have S sub n is equal to first term 1 minus ratio raised to n all over 1 minus r. So we have here 2 as our first term, 1 minus 3 raised to our n. What is n? 5. Again, we have our n as 5. Three raised to 5 is equal to 3 raised to 5 is equal to 243. Not forget the denominator. 1 minus 3. So all over 2. One minus 3, negative 2. And 1 minus 243, we have negative 242 all over 2. So our answer will be, the S sub 5 will be 242. The first 5 terms of the geometric sequence will be 242. Let's proceed with the second example. Consider the geometric series 10 plus 5 plus 2.5 plus 1.25. Find the sum of the infinite series. So let's have the solution. Let's write, but first thing first is we need to write the given. So our first term is 10. Our ratio, okay, let's divide the two consecutive terms. 5 all over 10, which is 1/2. Now we need to look for the S because it is an infinite series. So the formula will be, what is the formula? First term all over 1 minus ratio. Again. First term divided by 1 minus ratio. So let's substitute all the given. 10, 1 minus 1/2. So our S will be 10 all over 1/2. And our S will be 10 times 2. So the answer will be 20. Again, this is for the infinite series. Infinite geometric series. Let's proceed with the word problem. Mang Tonyo owns a small sari-sari store in the barangay. One day, he decided to start saving coins in an alcansya, or also known as piggy bank. On the first day, he puts 20 pesos. Each following day, he doubles the amount he saves from the previous day. He plans to continue this for 7 days. How much total money will Mang Tonyo have saved in the alcansya after 7 days? Let's proceed with the solution. So let A sub n money of Mang Tonyo you will save in the alcansya on the nth day. Money will save on the nth day. What about the other given? The first term is he puts 20 pesos and the ratio he doubles. So we have 2 and our n is 7 days. Since we know the last term, which is the 7, we are going to use the finite geometric series formula. The formula S sub n is equal to A sub 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. So S7, the first term is 20, 1 minus 2, 7 minus 1. 7 raised to 7. So S7, 1 minus 7. So 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. So we have here 20 1 minus 128 all over 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7. 1 minus 2, rather. This is our R. So 21 minus 128, we have negative 127 all over negative 1. So in this case, we have 20 times 127. The answer will be 20 times 127 is equal to 2,540 pesos. Therefore, Mang Tonyo will save 2,540 pesos in 7 days. Therefore, Mang Tonyo will save 2,540 pesos in 7 days. Alright, thank you for listening. See you again to our next lesson. Goodbye and happy learning. Do not forget to subscribe.